In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make great Instagram Reels with Canva. In order to do that, you first need to head over to your Canva homepage and then click on the video icon that you should be able to see right here. Here's the video icon, so head over and click on that. Once you have done that, select the Instagram Reel template. Click on this and it will open right here this blank design that you can actually edit. Now, onto this case, you just need to add your clips by adding some pages or drag and dropping medias. So for example, let's head over and then input right here some elements. For example, let's make a reel about dogs. So let's search for elements right here for that. You can just input those right here, add them like that. And as you can see here, they are. So the next thing you need to do is you just need to head over and split them according to your liking by clicking onto this split icon and then deleting the part that you don't want used, like this one. So once you have done with the splitting, the next thing you need to do is to add some transitions. So in order to do that, you can click on this right here or click on the actual clip, click on animate, and then input right here some transitions for the reveals, pops, breathing, or the likes. So just choose the transition that you want used right here. So once you have done those, you can just head over and edit and structure your clips. Do take note that the great option or the great description for this is actually dependent on how you edit your actual Canva reel. So do take note that you need to be very experienced for this in order to create a quality reel. So once you're done, click on share, click on download, and download this MP4 video. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.